like that. I'm watching you. Wow, good job. Oh. It's okay. She is playing, enjoying it. Kids are enjoying it. And this is the Mary place. Oh, Misha, you like this place? You like this place, Sanvi?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful new playground. So hello everybody, welcome to our channel. So I'm here with the family and everybody here. So just wanted to share with you this lovely place, about this lovely place which is situated in Drexel Hill, but it's very good area, playground. They created this new one. So I wanted to share with you all. So Misha is crossing the bridge right now. Oh my god. So it's very good area and she's coming back and very good. I already showed you there. You can cross this bridge. Good area to visit. So come on. So when it will be the summer season, it will be all green and colorful. And spring is coming and today's weather is like not very good, sunny. Not sunny here. That's why it's not, everything is looking dull. But very safe place and weather is good today. So that's why we came here. So yes, let's go on slide. Okay, show me. Okay, how you go on slide? Show me from this area, this part. Okay, you go. I will follow you. Okay. Okay. Okay, how are you going to go on slide? Go on slide and let me show you. You can. Okay, I'm watching you. I will go that side. Okay, I will cross this area. Okay, where are you? I found you. And wait. Hold on. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Woo! How was that? Like this? Okay, you wanna go back from this side? Okay, go. Come on, okay, stay careful. You can, okay, slowly. Okay. Yeah, you can do it. Yes, go, Misha, go. Good job. You made it. Very good. Come on. Woo. How was that?
Good.
Okay. You want to try something else also, right? No? Nothing? Okay. Go on this one, orange one. This is good. This is for little kids. Good. How was that? You liking this in new area? Oh my goodness. Okay, good job. Go ahead. Oh, you liking? Yeah, this is tic-tac-toe. Come on. Come down. Come on fast. Ooh, good job. This is actually a bench for you. Oh, this is a shopping area. Like McDonald's. You're going to go upstairs. Oh, good job. Oh, is it easy for you? Huh. Oh, careful. It's very high for you, Misha. Okay? This is such a very beautiful place, and it's very apart from this parking area, so it's safe for the kids. So they have created new park area. What is this? You can see? You can see the moon from this?
No.
No?
Can you go far away?
Okay. So this is, she is playing, enjoying it. Kids are enjoying it. And this is the Mary place. So today is very such good weather. So we are enjoying here, and it's not cold. We're just wearing this light hoodie over here, but not cold like that. Ah, I'm watching you. Wow, good job. Oh. It's okay. You're jungle. You okay? Don't do stunts, okay? This is not a stunt area. You okay? Show me hands. It's very down. You can see I have to little bend down. So not for us, but good for kids. Okay? So where are you going?
We're going to tram.
So we came out from this park. I already showed you this park, and you can see this is a good way to come inside this playground. So pathway is very easy. That's the main road going on there, right away, and you can come inside. And this is a Derby Creek Trail, which is 1 mile trail. You can take this trail, and very good pathway, right? And this is the pet bags here also. Those who have pets, they can walk their pets also. And it's a huge 1 mile trail. You can go on that trail. That's the main road in there. This is the main road right there. So that road goes to the Haverford with the next destination there. So very good. It's not green yet, but later on it will be green in summer. So because it's so cloudy today. So, and this is the history of Derby Creek. No need to read. So it's trail, and this is not looks like trail. You can ride your bikes, and like whatever you want to do, you can walk or run, whatever activity you can do. And huge trail, and you can do so many activities here. So this is the hidden gem of this area, Havertown. So if you want to come here, I will share the link down below, so you can just come. And after that, share with me if you come here. So this was our today's vlog. So today is like Sunday, so we came here just to see like which is the next nearby park. So we came here just by accidentally. So we found this one very awesome. So if you want to come here, you can come and share with us if you come. Okay, so see you in next vlogs. Today's vlog is like that only. So if you like it, share and subscribe also. Thank you. Bye. So this is the road going, which is this road. This is going up. So this is totally hilly area. You can see this is main road. Cars are passing by. So very high hilly area, Haverford area, and you can see the board here, Haverford Hill. So very good place. Come and visit. Thank you. Bye. This is trail, and this is nearby pond next to this trail area, and some people come here to fishing somewhere. But I don't know if they are fishes or not. I don't know. This is silent pond only. I don't know. Some people are coming here for fishing. Is there fishes are there or not? Oh, okay.